Omron Complete combines blood pressure monitoring with EKG measurement in one easy-to-use device. In this short video, we demonstrate how to record measurements step by step. To ensure reliable readings, sit upright on a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Avoid bathing, drinking alcohol or caffeine, smoking, exercising, or eating 30 minutes before taking a measurement. Step 1. Turn the device upside down and remove the battery cover. Insert 4 AA batteries as indicated in the battery compartment and replace the cover. Plug the arm cuff into the monitor. Step 2. Download the free Omron Connect US CAN app from the App or Google Play Store. Step 3. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone and open the app following instructions for pairing. Step 4. Wrap the arm cuff firmly in place around your left upper arm and secure with a fabric fastener. The arm cuff should be placed on your arm at the same level as your heart. Ensure the air tube is on the inside of your arm. Step 5. Open the app on your smartphone and select Record BP and EKG. Turn the phone into landscape orientation and place it on the smartphone cradle. Step 6. Press Start on the monitor to measure blood pressure and place your thumbs on the top electrodes and 2 or more fingers on the side electrodes. Remain still and do not talk until the arm cuff deflates and the 30-second countdown for EKG recording on your smartphone is complete. Step 7. Once the measurements are complete, your results are automatically transferred to the Omron Connect app for further review or to easily share with your doctor.
With our ultra-silent wrist blood pressure monitors, it's easy to take your blood pressure anywhere, anytime. Here are a few tips to help ensure you get an accurate reading. Do not take a measurement within 30 minutes of eating, exercising, bathing, smoking, or drinking alcohol. Now you're ready to take a measurement. Sit comfortably in a chair, keeping your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Place the cuff on your wrist, half an inch above your wrist bone. Press the Start-Stop button on your device and then elevate your wrist to heart level. The Heart Zone Guidance feature ensures an accurate reading every time by activating the monitor at heart level. The blue indicator light will appear when it's at the correct height. Now, remain still until the cuff automatically deflates and your results appear on the screen. Make sure to record your readings or sync to Omron's mobile app. Press the Start-Stop button to turn off the monitor. It's important to take measurements at the same time each day and use averages over time to compare your readings.